Student, similarly we will find the right hand limit. The logic of right hand limit, if we will move to the right side to the point x equal to a, then it is a plus h. Here h tends to 0. Then right hand limit is limit x tends to a plus h fx. Here h is very small. So first we find limit a plus h. We will find the value of f a plus h. Limit h tends to 0. Then we simplify it. Then we will put f a plus 0. And it is called right hand limit. Now let us see some questions based on this. Student, now it is question number 4 from exercise 29.1 R.D. Sharma. It is fx is given here 3x upon mod x plus 2x when x is not equal to 0, and it is 0 when x equal to 0. So that limit x tends to 0, fx does not exist. So for the solution, first of all we will find the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus h of fx. Here h tends to 0. Then it is 3x upon mod x plus 2x. Limit x tends to minus h. Now it is 3 into minus h upon mod minus h plus 2 into minus h. It will be minus 3h. Limit h tends to 0. Then it is h minus 2h. Then it is minus 3h upon minus h. Cancel, h cancel. Result is 3. So left hand limit is 3. Now let us find right hand limit. It is limit x tends to 0 plus h, h tends to 0, fx. The limit x tends to h, it is 3x upon mod x plus 2x. Limit h tends to 0, 3h upon mod h plus 2h. Then it is 3h upon h plus 2h. It is 3h upon 3h. Is cancel. It is 1. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit x tends to 0, fx does not exist. Not exist. Hence proved. Now another question. Question is find. It is question 9. Find limit x tends to 1 fx. If fx equal to x square minus 1 when x is less than equal to 1, and it is minus x square minus 1 when x is greater than 1. Here we will find both the limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 1 minus h, h tends to 0 of fx. It is limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h whole square minus 1. Now limit h tends to 0, make the square 1 square plus h square minus 2h minus 1 is cancelled. Now putting h equal to 0, 0 square minus 2 into 0 will be 0. Now we will find right hand limit. When there is a right hand limit, then function is x square minus 1. So it is limit x tends to 1 plus h tends to 0 of fx. It is limit x tends to 1 plus h tends to 0, and it is minus x square minus 1. Then limit h tends to 0 minus 1 plus h whole square minus 1. Now make the square, limit h tends to 0, it is minus 1 plus h square plus 2h minus 1. Since there is minus 2 minus h square plus 2h, then h equal to 0, then it is minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. So right hand limit is equal to minus 2. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, again since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit x tends to 1 fx does not exist. Does not exist. So here this limiting value is not existing. Now next is, so that limit x tends to 0 e power minus 1 upon x does not exist. Not exist. So here again we will find left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit is limit x tends to 0 minus h e power minus 1 upon x h tends to 0. It is limit h tends to 0 e power minus 1 upon minus h is cancelled. Then e power 1 upon h, limit h tends to 0. It will be e power 1 upon 0. E power 1 0 is infinity. Since value of e is lie between 2 and 3, it is approximate value 2.7, 1828 and so on. So it is more than 1. So this result is infinity. Now if we find right hand limit, then it is limit x tends to 0 plus h tends to 0, e power minus 1 upon x. Here limit h tends to 0, e power minus 1 upon h, then e power minus 1 upon 0, it is 1 upon e power infinity. It is 1 upon infinity, 1 upon infinity is 0. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit x tends to 0, e power minus 1 upon x does not exist. Not exist. When both limits are equal, then limit will exist. Next is question 17. So that limit x tends to 2 minus x upon greater integer function x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus x upon greater integer function x. Now we will take left hand side. First we find left hand limit. Left hand limit is limit x tends to 2 minus x upon greater integer function x. It means it is limit x tends to 2 minus h, h tends to 0, and x upon greater integer function x. It is 2 minus h upon 2 minus h, h tends to 0. Student, this value is less than 2, so its result is 1. It is 2 minus 0, so answer is 2. If we find right hand limit or right hand side, then it is limit x tends to 2 plus x upon this. It is limit x tends to 2 plus h, h tends to 0. It is x upon greater integer function x. It is 2 plus h upon 2 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. Since it is more than 1, so its value is 2. 2 plus something is 2 in greater integer function. There is 2 plus 0. So 2 upon 2 is 1. Therefore, these two values are not equal, or we can say left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Hence proved.